You can't tell me nothing. Yeah. You can't tell me nothing. Boo. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nana Echa. But you can call me Nana or Coily Nachi. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook as Coily Nachi. Don't forget to like and subscribe because this video, this video is the bomb.com. Period. In this tutorial, I'll be using two products, the Mayel Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse and the Mongogo Oil Setting Spray. I start with very small sections of my hair because I wanted to achieve a very tight curl. Holding a section of my hair, I comb it out, add my setting spray, and go on to add the curling mousse. Now, after adding the curling mousse, I smooth my hair out and roll it around my perm rod, making sure that my hair is smooth. I do this for all sections of my hair. The one thing I would say about this method is to make sure that your hair is smooth on the perm rod and also to make sure you take very small sections of your hair if you want to achieve a really nice curl pattern. I allowed my hair to dry for about 24 hours. Please, guys, I am begging you. I am guilty of this, but this one, I tried. I waited for my hair to dry before taking it down. I am begging you. I'm on my knees, See this curl. And you will see the bounce. Ha! What else do you want in life? If not a curl that bounces like this. Come on. Please wait. Wait. And you will see what God will do for you. After removing the rod, I then take my Mayel Rosemary Mint Oil my fingers, and start to separate my curls. When I'm done, I take my pick comb out my hair to achieve a fuller look. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below what other videos or tutorials you would like to see. Bye.